Hello students, welcome again in our online study class. Today we are on page number 12 and in the last video we learned about the seal and pots, and in it we learned about the seals, stamps. It were of square shaped and made up of stone, stay tight, and mainly on the seals they carved the picture of animals, and they gives the importance to the imaginary animal known as unicorn. Here we will see now sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black colors. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people use. This is about the pots. Red terracotta. The pots were made, mainly these pots or the pots were made by the Harappans, that were made up of red terracotta pots with the parent rock, which means with the main rock or with the parent rock, and they design it, they decorate it with the different designs like the patterns. Here we can see include fish scales. Here in this earthenware, here you can see these designs they carved or they makes the patterns like the fish scales, interlocking circle. Here you can see like this interlocking circles and people leaves and etc. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. It's a tradition. After the death, the Harappan people they buried their dead. They buried their dead, and they used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. And it was their tradition to bury a earthen pot near to the body. And they also praise for the dead one. For the dead one. It is about the seals and pots. Now here you can see some of the pictures, like it's a earthen pot of the fish scales designs. Here is another that is of the interlocking circle, and so on. The different designs in the pots we can see, and these are some of the earthen pots that were made by the Harappan, which was found in the excavation work at the bank of river Ravi. It is about the pots and seals. Now we will go ahead. Here you can see the Great Bath. The Great Bath. This is the picture of the Great Bath. It is at the Mohenjo-daro. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro and Velan to the south from the Harappan, near about 600 kilometer to the south of the main excavation from the Harappa. They found the similarity between the customs, tradition, pots and ornaments that is of Mohenjo-daro. Here Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meter deep. It was 12 meter long and 7 meter wide. This is the picture of Great Bath, and in today's language we can say like a swimming pool, and it was the Great Bath in the Harappan civilization. And the measurement of this Great Bath tank, it is measurement of the Great Bath, it was nearly 2.5 meter deep. The depth or this is near about 2.5 meter deep, 12 meter long and 7 meter wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. There was also a provision for draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from time to time. See friends, this is the picture of the Great Bath, and 2.5 meter deep, 12 meter long and 7 meter wide, and there were the steps to steps leading down to the tank, and to prevent the seepage of the water, there were the baked bricks. There Harappans used baked bricks to prevent the seepage of water, and there were the provision means they also there was also a provision or the way to fill it, to refill it again, to clean it, and to for the draining means from this side to remove the water, dirty water from it, and to refill it again with the clean water. There were the provisions or the different ways they had made for it's a great bath, and that shows the advanced way of modern life in the Harappan civilization. And same, but just we knows it now like a swimming pool, and it was known as a great bath in the Harappan civilization, and it is near to the great bath at Mohenjo-daro.